Good morning. So in the previous episode, we have learned about how to write the number names for the 3-digit numbers and how to write the numbers from the given number names. And we have also learned about the abacus, how to write the numbers from the given abacus and how to represent the given numbers on the abacus. So these are the topics we have learned in the previous episode. So in today's episode, we are going to discuss how to write the expanded form for the 3-digit numbers and what are the place values and how to write the place values for any digit in the 3-digit numbers and how to write or how to compare the given numbers. That means which one is a smaller number, which one is greatest number in the given pair of numbers. And also we are going to learn about how to write the ascending order and descending orders for the given set of numbers. So in this episode, these are the topics we are going to discuss. So children, so let us enter into the session. So today in our episode, the first topic is place values. So what is place values and how to write the place values for any digit in the given number. Place value. So look at the screen. So place value 239 is a 3-digit number. So in this 3-digit number, so look at the place value chart given at the right side upper corner. Here 9 is present in the ones place and 3 is present in the tens place. 2 is present in the hundreds place. So 2 is present in hundreds place. So its place value in 239 is 200s. So that is 200. And 3 is in the tens place. Its place value in 239 is 3 tens, or it can be written as 30. 9 is in the ones place. Its place value in 239 is 9 ones, or simply we can write as 9. So children, so let us practice some problems on the place values. How to write the place values for the given digit in the numbers. So look at the screen. Here we are observing some problems. So children, the first problem. So look at the first problem. 2 in 423. So now we have to write the place value of 2 in 423. Here 2 is present in tens place. So the place value of the digit is tens. So it becomes 2 tens and the answer is 20. So see the second problem, 1 in 341. So we have to write the place value of the digit 1 in 341. Here the 1 is present in ones place. So children, so look at the number, 1 is present in ones place. So its place value becomes 1 ones. So that becomes 1. So children, so look at the third problem, 2 in 525. Now we have to write the place value of 2 in the number 525. Here the digit 2 is present in tens place. So that means the place value of the digit 2 is 2 tens. So it becomes 20. So 20 is the place value of 2. So look at the fourth problem, 3 in 236. So that is, we have to write the place value of 3 in 236. Here 3 is present in tens place. So the place value becomes 3 tens or simply 30. So children, look at the fifth problem. The digit 3 in 673. So here children, the 3 is present in ones place. So 3 is present in ones place. So the place value of the 3 becomes 3 ones, or simply we can write as 3. So children, look at the sixth problem. The place value of 7 in 788. So here the 7 is present in ones, tens, hundreds place. So children, 7 is present in hundreds place. So its place value becomes 700s, or simply 700. So this is the way of writing place value of any digit in the given number. That means just we have to find out the place of the given digit in the given number. So place value is nothing but the place or position of the given digit in the given number. So we have to write the position of the given digit in the given number. So children, so note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining problems at your home. So there are 6 problems remained. So practice those 6 problems in your notebook at your home. So children, so let us enter the next part, expanded form. Expanded form. 239 so is equal to 2 hundreds plus 3 tens plus 9 ones is equal to 200 plus 30 plus 9. This is called expanded form of 239. Children, what is expanded form? So expanded form is nothing but the multiplication of the given digit with its place. So we have to multiply the given digit. That means we have to multiply each digit with its place and keep the symbol plus between them. That means we have to write the place value of the each digit and keep the symbol plus between them. Then it becomes the expanded form. Here 2 is present in hundreds place, so its place value is 200s. And 3 is present in tens place, so its place value becomes 3 tens. And 9 is present in ones place, so its place value becomes 9 ones. So, and we have keep the symbol plus in between them. So 200 plus 30 plus 9, so it is nothing but the expanded form. So expanded form means we have to write the place value of each digit and keep the symbol plus between them. Then we will get expanded form for the given number. So children, so look at the picture. This is a small activity on the expanded form. So how to write the expanded form of the given numbers. So let us practice some problems on expanded form and how to write the expanded form for the given number. So children, look at the first number, that is first problem, 328. So here 8 is present in ones place, 2 is present in tens place, and 3 is present in hundreds place. So how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. Next, how many tens are there? So 2 tens. Since 2 is present in tens place. So how many ones are there? 8 ones. So 8 is present in ones place. So 3 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 8 ones. So we can written as 300 and 2 tens. That is 20 plus 8 ones. That is 8. So this is the expanded form for the number 328. So children, so look at the second problem, 712. So in this number, 2 is present in ones place, and 1 is present in tens place, 7 is present in hundreds place. So how many hundreds are there? 7 hundreds. So write the 7 in the blank. 7 hundreds plus how many tens are there? 1 is present in the tens place. So 1 tens are present in the number. And how many ones are there? So 2 is present in ones place. So there are 2 ones. So we can write the expanded form also like this. 700 plus 110, that is 10, and 2 ones, that is 2. So 700 plus 10 plus 2. So this is the expanded form for the given number. So children, so see the third problem. So 457, here 7 is present in ones place, 5 is present in tens place, 4 is present in hundreds place. So how many hundreds are there? 4. So 4 hundreds are there, that is 4 is present in hundreds place. So how many tens are there? So 5. So 5 is present in tens place, so there are 5 tens. How many ones are there? 7 is present in ones place, so there are 7 ones. So we can write this like as 400 plus 5 tens means 50 plus 7 ones means 7. So 400 plus 50 plus 7. So this is the way how to write the expanded form for any given 3-digit number. So just we have to write the place value of every digit in the number and keep the symbol plus in between them, then we will get the expanded form. So children, note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining problems at your home. So there are 4 problems remaining in this activity and practice the remaining 4 problems at your home. So children, let us enter the next part. Comparison of 3-digit numbers. Comparison of 3-digit numbers. Rules for comparing two numbers. A number with more digit is always greater. When the digits in hundreds place are equal, then the number with more number of tens is greater. When the digits in tens place are also equal, then the number with more number of ones is greater. When all the digits are same, the numbers are equal. Example, compare 439 and 451. Solution. Step 1. Compare the number of digits. Both numbers have 3 digits. Step 2. Compare the hundreds digits. They are also same. Step 3. Compare the tens digits. 3 is smaller than 5. Therefore, 439 is less than 451. So children, so let us see once again. So how to compare the numbers? That means how to identify which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number between the given numbers, among the given numbers. So how to identify and how to write the greatest number and how to write the smallest number among the given 3-digit numbers. So there are some rules for the comparison of numbers. That means how for the determining the greatest number and the smallest number among the given numbers. The first rule is a number with more digits is always greater. So the number which is having more digits is always greater. And if the both numbers have same number of digits, then compare each digit. Then compare the digit present in hundreds place in each number. If the hundreds place digit is also same, then compare the digit present in tens place in each number. If the tens place digits are also equal, then compare the digits present in the ones place. So if all the digits are equal, then both the numbers becomes equal. Example 439 and 451. Here 439 is a 3-digit number. 451 is also a 3-digit number. So both are 3-digit numbers. Now we have to compare the digit present on the left side of each number. That means the digit present in the hundreds place. The digit present in the hundreds place is 4. Here also the digit present in the hundreds place is 4. So here the both digits are same. Now compare the second digit from the left side. That is the digit present in the tens place. The first number, the digit in the tens place is 3, whereas the digit present in the tens place in the second number is 5. Here 3 is smallest number and 5 is greatest number. So then 439 becomes smallest number, 451 becomes greatest number. Therefore 439 is less than 451. So this is the comparison of way of comparison of 3-digit number and the rules we have to follow while comparing the 3-digit numbers. So children, let us practice some problems on the comparison of numbers. So let us see the first problem. So there are given two numbers. We have to compare these two numbers. So which one is smaller and which one is greater, and we have to put the symbol greater than or less than or equal to in the given circle between them. Here the first number is 171 and the second number is 393. Here 171, the number of digits are 3. 393, the number of digits are also 3. Here both are having same digits. Then compare the digit, that is compare the first digit from the left side in every number. So here the first digit is 1 and here the first digit is 3. Here 1 is smaller, 3 is greater. So 171 is the smallest number. So write the symbol less than. So if the first number is smaller, we have to put the symbol less than. So children, see the second problem. See here the first number is 231 and the second number is 382. Here also both are 3-digit numbers. Then we have to compare the first digit from the left side in every number. That means we have to compare the digit present in the hundreds place in the two numbers. Here the digit present in the hundreds place is, that means the first digit from the left side is 2, and here the digit present in the hundreds place is 3. So here it is 2 and 3. Here 2 is the smallest number and 3 is the greatest number. So 231 is the smallest number, 382 is the greatest number. Here first number is the smallest number, so put the symbol less than. So children, see the third problem. Here also two numbers are given. So we have to find which one is the smallest and which one is the greatest. So the first number is 520 and the third number is 489. So both are same digit numbers. So both have same number of digits. Then we have to compare the first digit from the left side in each number. So the first digit from the left side here is 5. And in this number, the first digit from the left side is 4. So here is 5 is greater and 4 is smaller. So that's why 520 becomes greatest number and 489 becomes smallest number. So here 520 is the greater number. So we have to write the symbol greater than. So children, see the next problem, 642, 485. So these are the two numbers given, and now we have to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller. So 642, 485. So both are 3-digit numbers. That means the number of digits are same. Then we have to compare the digit, first digit from the left side in each number. So the first digit from the left side is, that means we have to compare the digit present in the hundreds place. Here the digit present in the hundreds place is 6. That means the first digit is 6. Here the first digit from the left side is 4. Here 6 is greater, 4 is smaller. That's why 642 becomes greater number and 485 becomes smaller number. So 642 is the greater number. That's why we have to put the symbol greater than. So children, see the next problem. So read the two numbers given, 542, 259. So these are the two numbers given. Now we have to find which one is smaller, which one is greater. Here 542 has 3 digits and 259 has also 3 digits. So both have 3 digits. So that means both having same number of digits. Now compare the first digit from the left side in each number. So here the first digit from the left side is 5, whereas the first digit from the left side in this number is 2. So here is 5 present in the hundreds place, here 2 is present in the hundreds place. So 5 is the greater, 2 is the smaller. That's why 542 becomes a greater number and 259 becomes a smaller number. So 542 is the greater number. So put the symbol greater than. So children, the next problem 536 and 536. So here both are same numbers. So both are equal numbers. Now we have to put the symbol is equal to. So this is the way of comparing the 3-digit numbers. So in this way we have to compare the numbers. If both have same number of digits, then compare the first digit from the left side in every number. That means you have to compare the every digit. That means you have to compare the digit present in the hundreds place. If they are also equal, then compare the second digit. If they are also equal, then compare the third digit from the left side. In this way, we have to compare the digits and we have to put the symbols less than and greater than. So children, note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining problems at your home. So these are the practice problems we have to practice at your home. So note down these problems in your notebook. So children, so enter the next part. It is the next concept. Next topic is ascending and descending orders. Arranging numbers from the smallest to the biggest in order is called increasing order or ascending order. Arranging numbers from biggest to the smallest in order is called decreasing order or descending order. So ascending order means increasing order, descending order means decreasing order. So ascending order means increasing order. That means we have to write the numbers from smallest number to greatest number. Then that arrangement is called ascending order or increasing order. So descending order, decreasing order. So if we arrange the numbers from greatest number to smallest number, then that arrangement is called decreasing order or descending order. So children, so let us practice some problems on this ordering of the numbers. That means how to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. So arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So children, so look at the screen. There are given 3 sets of numbers. See the first set of numbers. So there are 4 numbers are given in the first set. That is 535, 144, 213, 198. So these are the 4 numbers given in the first set. Now we have to arrange these 4 numbers in the ascending order. That means we have to arrange these numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means from smallest number to greatest number. From smallest number to greatest number. So that's why we have to write the smallest number first. So first we have to identify the smallest number among these 4 numbers. So first we have to write the smallest number. So that's why, so compare the given 4 numbers. Which one is the smallest? Here all the 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. So number of digits are equal. Now compare the first digit from the left side in every number. So in the first number, the first digit is 5. Whereas in second number, the first digit is 1. Whereas in third number, the first digit is 2. Whereas in fourth number, the first digit is 1. Here, 1 is the smaller than 2 and 5. So here there are 2 smaller numbers. That is 144 and 198. So these are the 2 numbers having same digit in the hundreds place. Now compare the tens place digit. That means compare the second digit in the two numbers. Here the second digit in 144 is 4 and the second digit in 198 is 9. So here 4 is smaller, 9 is greater. So the smallest number among the four numbers is 144 and the next smallest number is 198. So children, two numbers are completed. So what are the remaining two numbers? 535, 230. So among these two numbers, which one is smaller? So let us compare the first digit. Here the first digit is 5. Here the first digit is 2. So which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. So 213 is the smallest number. And the remaining number will be written in the last. The remaining letter is 535. 230 in the third number and fourth number is 535. So this is called ascending order. So first we have to compare the first digit in every number. Then if first digit is same, then compare the second digit. So in this way we have to write the given numbers in the ascending order. So children, see the second set of problem. So in the second set there are also given 4 numbers and all are 3-digit numbers. Now we have to find which one is smaller. So in ascending order means increasing order. That means smallest number to greatest number. That means we have to write smallest number first. So among these 4 numbers, which one is smaller? So now compare the digits present in hundreds place. So children, compare the first digit in every number. So compare the first digit from the left side in every number. So in the first number is 2. In the second number, the first digit is 3. In the third number, the first digit is 4. In the fourth number, the first digit is 7. So among 2, 3, 4, 7, so which one is smaller? So 2 is smaller. So 223 is the smallest number among the given 4 numbers. So next, which one is smaller? So next, 3 is smaller. 3, 4, 7. Among 3, 4, 7, which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. So 352 becomes next smallest number. So children, so which one is smaller? So next, among 4 and 7, 4 is smaller. The first digit 4 is smaller than the first digit 7. So 486 becomes the next smallest number. So write the remaining letter at last, that is 727. So this is the ascending order for the given 4 numbers. So in this way, we have to write the ascending order. That means increasing order. That means from smallest to biggest number. So first we have to compare the first digit from the left side in every number. If the first digits are same, then compare the second digits in every number. If the second digits are also same, then compare the third digit from the left side in every number. So this is the way of comparing numbers and this is the way of writing ascending order. So children, this is about ascending order. So note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining third problem at your home. So children, so let us enter the next activity. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. So here also children, 3 sets of numbers are given. We have to arrange each set of numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. That means we have to arrange the given numbers from greatest to smallest number. Greatest to smallest number is called descending order. That's why we have to find out the greatest number among the given 4 numbers. So we have to write the greatest number first. So in the first set of numbers, the first number is 396. Second number is 886. Third number is 452. Fourth number is 838. So these are the four numbers. So now we have to write these four numbers in descending order. That means greatest number to smallest number. Now we have to compare the first digit, since all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So the number of digits are same in four numbers. So we have to compare the first digit from the left side in every number. In the first number, the first digit is 3. In the second number, the first digit is 8. In the third number, the first digit is 4. In the fourth number, the first digit is 8. So among 3, 8, 4, which one is greater? 8 is greater. But there are two numbers with 8 as first digit. That is 886, 838. These two numbers have same first digit. Now compare the second digit in these two numbers. So the second digit is 8, whereas the second digit in this number is 3. So which one is greater, 8 or 3? 8 is greater. So 886 becomes greater number. So next greater number becomes 838. So children, two numbers are completed and there remain two numbers. Those are 396, 452. So which one is greater among these? So here the first digit is 3. Here the first digit is 4. So 4 is greater. So write the number 452. So this is the next greatest number. And write the remaining letter at the last. This is 396. So this is the way of writing descending order for the given numbers. So children, see the second problem. So here also 4 numbers are given and the 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. That means all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. Number of digits are same. The first number is 577 and the second number is 781 and the third number is 939. Fourth number is 744. So now compare the first digit from the left side in each number. Here in the first number, the first digit is 5. In the second number, the first digit is 7. In the third number, the first digit is 9. In the third number, the first digit is 7. So among 5, 7, 9, which one is greater? 7 is greater. But there are two numbers with 7 as first digit. What are they? They are 781 and 744. So these numbers have same first digit, that is 7. Now compare the second digit in these two numbers. So in this number, that is in 781, the second digit is 8. In 744, the second digit is 4. So which one is greater, 8 or 4? 8 is greater. So 781 is the greatest number among the given numbers. 781. Sorry. Here 9 is greater. So 9 is greater. So 939 is the greatest number. So children, there are three numbers remaining. Those are 577, 781, 744. So among 5, 7, which one is greater? 7 is greater. But there are two numbers with first digit 7. They are 781, 744. These two numbers have same first digit, that is 7. Now compare the second digit in these two numbers. So in 781, the second digit is 8. In 744, the second digit is 4. So which one is greater? 8 or 4? 8 is greater. So the next second greatest number is 781. And the third greatest number will be 744. The remaining remaining number should be written in the last. It is 577. So this is the descending order for the given numbers. So children, this is the way of writing descending number for the given numbers. So first we have to compare the first digit from the left side. If the first digit is the same, then compare the second digit. So this is the way we have to continue. So children, note down these problems in your notebook and practice the third problem at your home. So let us enter the next topic, odd and even numbers. So what are odd numbers? Any number that can be made into pair is an even number, or the numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place are called even numbers. Any number that cannot be made into pairs is an odd number, or the numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in the ones place are called odd numbers. So children, so let us enter small activity part on odd numbers and even numbers. So children, see the picture, we are observing some set of numbers are given. Now we have to select the even numbers and write the space provided. So see the first set of numbers 54, 23, 83, 64, 90. So among these 5 numbers, we have to select even numbers. Already we have discussed that even numbers are those numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their units place. So in 54, in units place, the digit is 4. So here 54 is the even number. So children, 23. So the digit in units place is 3. So this is not an even number. It is an odd number. And see the third number 83. Here also 3 is present in the units ones place. So 3. So this is not an even number. So see the fourth number 64. So here 4 is present in the ones place. So 64 becomes even number. And see the last number 90. 0 is present in the ones place. So 90 becomes even number. So children, see the second problem, second set of numbers. Here also 5 numbers are given: 92, 62, 71, 8, 55. So now we have to select the even numbers among these 5 numbers. So see the first number 92, 2 is present in the ones place. So 92 becomes even number. So write 92. So next number is 62. Here also 2 is present in the ones place. So 62 is the even number. So children, see the third number 71. Here 1 is present in the ones place. So it is not an even number. It is an odd number. Next, see the fourth number 8. So 8 is the even number. So children, see the last number 55. Here 5 is present in the ones place. So it is not an even number. So children, see the next third problem. Here also 5 numbers are given. We have to select the even numbers among these 5 numbers. So the numbers are 85, 11, 79, 66, 48. So among these we have to find out the even numbers. So see the first number 85. So here 5 is present in ones place. So it is not an even number. Next, see the second number 11. So 1 is present in the ones place. So 11 is also not an even number. Next, 79. Here 9 is present in the ones place. So 79 is also not an even number. So see the fourth number 66. Here 6 is present in the ones place. So 66 becomes even number. So see the fifth number 48. So here 8 is present in the ones place. So 48 becomes even number. So children, so this is the process how to find out the even numbers among the given numbers. So if 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is present in the ones place, then that number becomes even number. So children, note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining 3 problems at your home. So children, this is the another activity on odd numbers. So select the odd numbers and write the space provided. So what are odd numbers? The numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their units place or in their ones place becomes odd numbers. So first we have to check the units place. That means we have to check the ones place in every number. We have to check ones place in every number. If the ones place contains 3, 1, 5, 7 or 9, then it will become odd number. So children, see the first problem. Here 5 numbers are given in the first set. So the first number is 34, second number is 38, third number is 41, fourth number is 36, fifth number is 25. So see the first number 4 is present in the ones place. So it is not an odd number, it is even number. And see the second number 38, 8 is present in the ones place. So it is an even number, not an odd number. So see the third number 41, here 1 is present in the ones place, so 41 becomes odd number. So children, see the fourth number 36, here 6 is present in the ones place, so it is not an odd number, it is an even number. So children, see the fifth number 25, here 5 is present in the ones place, so 25 becomes odd number. So children, see the second problem, here also 5 numbers are given. So that is 43, 69, 24, 17, 28. So among these 5 numbers, we have to select odd numbers. First we have to check the digit present in the units place, that is ones place. So in the first number, 3 is present in the ones place. So 43 is the odd number. So children, see the second number 69, here 9 is present in the ones place. So 69 also becomes odd number. So children, see the third number 24. Here 4 is present in the ones place. So it is not an odd number, it is an even number. So children, see the fourth number 17. Here 7 is present in the ones place. So 17 becomes odd number. So children, write see the fifth number 28. 8 is present in the ones place. So it is not an odd number, it is an even number. So children, see the third problem 52, 11, 90, 51, 18. So these are the 5 numbers given. Now we have to select the odd numbers among these 5 numbers. So we have to check the digit present in the ones place. Here 2 is present in the ones place, so it is not an odd number. Next, see the second number 11. Here 1 is present in the ones place, so it is an odd number. So children, see the third number 90. Here 0 is present in the ones place, so it is not an odd number, it is an even number. So see the fourth number 51. Here 1 is present in the ones place, so it is the odd number. So children, see the fifth problem, fifth number 18. Here 80 is present in the ones place, so it is not an odd number. So children, this is the process, this is the way how to write or how to select the odd numbers among the given numbers. So first we have to check the units place, ones place in every number. If the ones place has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then it is the odd number. So children, note down these problems in your notebook and see the remaining, practice the remaining 2 problems at your home. So children, so let us see a small activity, fun activity, that is identify the odd and even numbers. So it is a pond. So children, look at the picture. We are observing there. It is a pond. we are observing some fishes, and some numbers are given in the pond. As among those numbers, we have to select the odd numbers, and we have to color all the odd numbers in blue color, and identify the even numbers among these numbers, and we have to color all the even numbers in green. So children, so let us identify the odd numbers among these. Odd numbers means we have to check the ones place in every number. If the ones place has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then it will become odd number. So let us identify which number has 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in its units place. So children, see the number 93. So here 3 is present in ones place, so 93 becomes odd number. So color this number in blue. So children, look at the picture. All the odd numbers are colored in blue. So if you observe the numbers which are in blue color, those numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their units place. So if you take 59, 9 is present in ones place, so it is an odd number. If we consider 25, 5 is present in ones place, so it is an odd number. In 23, 3 is present in ones place, so it is an odd number. If you consider 99, 9 is present in ones place, so it is an odd number. So in this way, those numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their units place, those are odd numbers, and those numbers are colored in blue color. Now let us find out the even numbers. So even numbers means those numbers which have 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 in their units place are called even numbers. So children, so let us find out what are the even numbers. So the remaining numbers are even numbers, that is 18. So in this number, 80 is present in ones place. So 18 is even number, so color this number in green. So children, look at the picture. All the green colored numbers are even numbers, because all the green colored numbers has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their units place. So if you take 82, here 2 is present in ones place, so it is an even number. So if you take 42, 2 is present in its ones place, so 42 is a even. So children, so let us find what are even numbers. So here even numbers means those numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their units place. So let us see the remaining numbers. 18. So 18, 8 is present in the ones place. So 18 is an even number. So consider 82. Here 2 is present in ones place. So 82 is an even number. So take 42, the number 42. Here 2 is also present in ones place. So 42 is an even number. So if you take 84, here 4 is present in ones place. So 84 is an even number. So if you take 48, 8 is present in ones place. So 48 is an even number. So all the even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in their units place. So all the even numbers are colored in green. So children, so this is a small fun activity. So to identify the odd numbers and even numbers among the given set of numbers. So let us enter the worksheet. So children, so this is the worksheet. That means now we have to practice some problems on the topics up to now what we have discussed. So write the even numbers from 1 to 10. So what are even numbers? 1 to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So these are the even numbers from 1 to 10. So children, see the next activity, that is write the odd numbers from 31 to 40. So what are the odd numbers from 31 to 40? So from 31 to 40, if we consider them, numbers, those numbers which have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in their units place becomes even numbers. So odd numbers from 31 to 40, here 31, so 1 is present in 1's place, so 31 is an odd number. Next 33, here 3 is present in its units place, so 33 is an odd number. Next 35, so 5 is present in 1's place, so 35 is an odd number. Next 37, here 7 is present in 1's place, so 37 is an odd number. So next 39, here 9 is present in 1's place, so 39 is an odd number. So children, so this is about odd numbers and how to write the odd numbers between a series of numbers. So children, see the next activity, arrange the following in ascending order. Already we have practiced some problems on this ascending order. So see the first set, there are 5 numbers in the first set and all the 5 numbers are 3-digit numbers. That means number of digits are same for every number. So the first number is 347, 236, 105, 249, 930. So these are the 5 numbers. We have to arrange the ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. That means we have to arrange the given numbers from smallest to greatest number. So which one is smallest among these 5 numbers? So let us compare the first digit from the left side in every number. So here in 347, 3 is the first digit. In the second number, 2 is the first digit. In the third number, 1 is the first digit. In the fourth number, 2 is the first digit. In the fifth number, 9 is the first digit. So among 3, 2, 1, 2, 9, which one is smaller? So 1 is smaller. So 105 is the smallest number. So write the smallest number first. Next, there are 4 numbers remained, that is 347, 236, 249, 913. Among these 4 numbers, which one is smaller? So compare the first digit. Here 3 is the first digit in the first number and 2 is present in the first digit. Here also 2 is present in the first digit and 9 is present in the first digit. Among 3, 2 and 9, which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. But there are 2 numbers with 2 as first digit, that is 236 and 249. In these 2 numbers, the first digit is same. Now compare the second digit in these 2 numbers. So the second digit is 3, whereas in the second digit is 4 in this number. So which one is smaller, 3 or 4? 3 is smaller. So 236 becomes the next smallest number and 249 becomes third smallest number, and there are remaining 2 numbers, those are 347, 913. Which one is smaller among these? So here the first digit is 3, here the first digit is 9, so 3 is smaller, 9 is greater, so 347 becomes smallest number, and write the remaining number in the last, that is 930. That is 930. So children, so this is the way of writing ascending order for the given set of numbers. So children, note down these problems in your notebook and practice the second problem at your home. So children, see this activity. This activity is on descending order. So arrange the following in descending order. Now we have to arrange the given numbers in the descending order. So see the first problem, there are 5 numbers are given, all are 3-digit numbers and all have the same number of digits. So now write these numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order, that means greater to smallest. Now we have to find the greatest number and write the greatest number first. So among these numbers, the greatest number is, so compare the first digit in every number. Here 1 is the first digit. In the second number 7 is the first digit. In the third number 4 is the first digit. In the fourth number 9 is the first digit. In the fifth number, 6 is the first digit. So among 1, 7, 4, 9 and 6, which one is greater? 9 is greater. So 979 is the greatest number, biggest number. So next biggest number is, so which one is greater? 1, 7, 4 or 6? So 7 is greater. So 718 is the next greatest number. And the next greatest number becomes 616, and the next greatest number becomes 425, and the next greatest number becomes 164. So children, this is the way of writing descending order. So note down these two problems in your notebook and practice the second problem at your home. So children, so this is the next activity. So write the numbers that come before, between and after. So already we have practiced so many problems in the beginning of the chapter, that is in the first episode. So how to write the before number? So before number means we get before number if we subtract 1 from the given number. So if we subtract 1 from the given number, we will get before number. So if we subtract 541, so if we subtract 1 from the 541, we will get the before number, that is the before number is 540. And 639, so what is the after number? So which number comes after 639? So we will get the after number if we add 1 to the given number. So if we add 1 to 639, we will get 640. So this is the between number. So this is the between number 639 and 641. So 974, we have to write the number comes after this number. So we will get after number if we add 1. So if we add 1 for 974, we will get 975. So this is the way of writing before number, between number and after number. So if we subtract 1, we will get before number. If we add 1, we will get after number. So this is the way of writing these numbers. So children, note down also these problems and practice the remaining 3 problems at your home. So children, so this is the next activity, a small activity on expanding form of the numbers. So we have already discussed it in the beginning of this episode, how to write the expanding form. So here 683, here 3 is present in ones place, 8 is present in tens place, 6 is present in hundreds place. So how many hundreds are there? 6 hundreds are there. And how many tens are there? 8 is present in tens place, so there are 8 tens. So how many ones are there? 3 is present in ones place, so there are 3 ones. So 600 plus 80 plus 3. So this is the expanded form for the given one. So children, this is the way of writing expanded form for the given numbers. So note down these problems in your notebook and practice the remaining 2 problems at your home. So children, so see the next activity, answer the following. How many even numbers are there below 10? So children, how many even numbers are there below 10? So let us count, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are total 4 even numbers below 10. So see the second question, how many odd numbers are there between 80 and 100? So let us count odd numbers, that is 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97 and 99. So that is a total of 10 odd numbers are there between 80 and 100. So children, so this is the worksheet part and this is the second episode in this chapter. So this chapter is completed.